So I'm going to show you how to measure roller shades. So roller shades, the only thing that matters is the measurement across the top for the width, because they all have a gap down here on the edge, which means the bottom is going to fit no matter what. So even if the bottom is smaller than the top, it's going to fit. The place we want it to fit the best is at the top. If you see this one down below, if we don't get a good measurement at the top, we're going to have bigger gaps on the side of our valance. So we want to make sure we get a really good, nice, accurate measurement at the top. And then when you measure the height, just measure in the middle, and we're going to add a little bit anyway to make sure that the shade is long enough. If you have a dual shade like what's behind me and the fabric alternates as it goes down, it's really important that we do the exact smallest height, because if we go too far and it is like that at the bottom, then the customer is going to be left with it when the shade's all the way down for people to be able to see through. So we want to make sure on the height that we give the exact height on a dual shade. If we're measuring for something like this, which has what's called a smart release chain on it, where it rolls down all on its own to the bottom, we want to make sure that we get the smallest height, and then when we order it, we're actually going to deduct about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch, because we don't want it to hit the floor and then puddle. So notice how this one stops really nice right where it's at.